Talofa and hello. I'm Victoria, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I grew my hair from this to this in 5 simple steps. So if you want to learn how to grow your hair out and not look like this and look like oh, my towel's falling down, stay tuned. I got you. Let's get right into it. So very quickly, I am going to start by showing y'all how I make my avocado hair mask, which is a big part in what I did to grow my hair so long and decently healthy. So first, you're going to take a couple avocados. I like to take 2 avocados and put them in a bowl. You can also use a blender, but I used a bowl because my baby was sleeping and I did not want to be loud. So 2 avocados, 1 egg, and mix it together. A lot of people, they add mayonnaise. I heard that can be very beneficial, but I literally cannot stand mayonnaise. I can't, so I didn't. And then here is some, add 3 drops. I can't even talk today. Add 3 drops of eucalyptus oil just for the smell. I don't know, just for the ambiance, for the enjoyments. And it kind of tingles your scalp a little. It feels really good. So just mix it all up, and that is easy. That is pretty much how you make the avocado hair mask. Next up, we have the hair clove oil solution, and it is simple as getting 1 cup of water and a couple drops of clove oil. That's it. Okay, so before we start the 5 tips that you are going to need to grow your hair out, I just want to start by saying, I don't know how you ladies look so cute doing this like whole shower hair routine thing on YouTube, because I literally look like a crazy prison inmate, and maybe it was the wife beater, maybe it was the frustrated facial expressions, but excuse me, because I don't know, it's not that cute, but you'll get the gist of what I'm trying to show y'all. Tip number 1, leave your hair alone. Now, this was a tough one for me, seeing as I always was one to have straight hair, and I literally did not know what to do with my curls, but as I've learned to get used to seeing myself with curly hair, it's been much easier for me to do it less. If you leave it alone, it will grow, and this means avoiding heat, protective styling, and just overall minimizing the manipulation of your hair as a whole. Tip number 2. This tip kind of goes hand in hand with tip number 1, but wash your hair less. I used to wash my hair every day, and literally I got so much more damage, breakage, and dryness, but now I highly recommend only washing either once a week or every other week. But if you're funky, just go ahead and wash your hair because you can't be funky. Tip number 3, moisturize. I honestly never realized how much this basic step can help. Yes, I was in the sunken place for a period of time. My hair knew not the beauty of a little moisture. So now I know she needs moisture to help her grow. Oh, kind of like a plant. Tip number 4, use natural hair masks like the one I made in the beginning of this video. This hair mask is so simple, quick to make, and all I can say, y'all, is just try this and you will be hooked. I do recommend using a blender to blend it because I kind of like didn't mash all the pieces and I was kind of struggling to put it in, so definitely recommend using a blender. And lastly, tip number 5, clove oil, diluted. This is another natural, simple recipe. I've seen people do it many different ways, but I just do a few drops of clove oil diluted in water. And you can put it in a spray bottle, spray it on your hair every other day. Not only does it smell great, but you will see those hair growth results that you are trying to achieve. So pretty much, if I could grow my hair from this mess, you can grow yours from whatever point yours is at. And I'm sure it cannot be as bad as mine was. Literally, it was bleached like 3 times over. Oh, I still remember the smell. It was terrible, disgusting, and we're just at a much better place right now, I would say. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell me below in the comments if you're currently doing any of these tips already, or if you're looking forward to trying them, or literally, even if you are a hair guru coming across this video and you have some tips for me, I am open to your suggestions. So thank y'all.